Hey guys, thought I'd do a quick review on the Ryobi 2300 PSI pressure washer. Wife got it for me for my birthday. I believe it's a relatively new model. It's not in the stores, have to order it online. Anyways, they had a sale on it last week. I believe she paid right around 200 bucks for it. I think it's 250 now. She ordered it at 6 p.m. and it actually arrived the next day. But the box definitely took a beating in transit. So we're going to get it open and see what's inside. Alright, well I got it out of the box. It's very neatly packed. Despite the condition of the box, doesn't look like anything was damaged. You get the handle, the gun, the sprayer. You got some attachments here, hose, power cord, and the unit itself. There is also actually a little thing in here. It says review to win. So who knows, maybe I'll get a free tool out of this or something. Alright, so I got the unit all together here. Really easy assembly. Pretty much all you gotta do is you just snap the handle in and you're pretty much ready to go. That's it. Watched some reviews on the 2000 PSI. I think there was a little more on that. You had to install the tank. It had a reel on the back. There were a lot of complaints about the reel. And if you notice here, Ryobi has ditched that and they just put a simple Velcro hang to hang the hose off of, which I think is a good idea. Because, I don't know, looking at the reviews, the reel just didn't really make sense. I want to point out real quick here. Register your tools, ryobitools.com. I'll admit I'm a slacker on that as well, but with other products I have registered, had them break, filled out a claim, and had things fixed within a week. So I'll definitely be registering this. But yeah, overall looks good, went together easy. We'll try it out sometime tomorrow after the sun comes up. And if you notice, there's a hole in the wall there. We just bought the house about a month ago, and it's got some things that need to be done, i.e. pressure wash the garage floor, probably paint it, fix the hole in the wall, which I'll be doing a repair video on that as well. Alright, be back with you tomorrow. Bye. Alright, so I got the unit all hooked up. You just connect the hose up here and the hose to the sprayer right there. Got it plugged in. There is a circuit breaker on the power cord itself, so make sure that that is reset if it pops. Also, before you turn it on, you're going to want to run some water through it, get all the air out. And generally, even though it's spraying, you'll want to do this for probably about 30 seconds to a minute, just to make sure there's no air in the system at all. Alright, so I've got the 15-degree tip on there, and we'll switch the unit on. Alright, so I've switched out, got the turbo nozzle in there now, and we'll see how that works. Alright, well here's the after. Hasn't dried yet. There's definitely some spots I gotta go back over that I didn't do as good. I'm sure you can see. There are spots here, and while the pressure washer will actually take those off, the problem is you end up removing the concrete too, so you end up having a hole. So I think before I come back out here, I'll pre-treat those with something and see if I can get that working off. But overall, I was pretty impressed. When I first started, you can hear it in the video, I'm sure, it seemed like it was losing pressure, the pump was struggling or idling down or something. Not sure if that was a water pressure issue on my end or if it's just because of the first run, but after about 3 or 4 minutes it actually cleared up and I didn't have